Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to enable subtitle or caption in YouTube Kids application. To enable subtitles in YouTube Kids, launch open the YouTube Kids app on your device and make sure that you're signed in and have an internet access. Once you are done, from the home page of YouTube Kids, go ahead and open up a video that you want to enable caption on. Remember that caption might not be available for all the videos out there. It might only be available for a particular video. So make sure to open up a video that has subtitles in it. After playing the video, go to the top right corner of the video playback and tap on the three dots. Now from the video options, tap on Captions and select the caption language you'd like to turn on. Now after you play the video, you will be able to see that you have enabled caption on YouTube Kids content. So that's how you can easily enable subtitle or captions on YouTube Kids so that your child can enjoy their favorite videos with subtitles, helping improve reading and comprehension in a fun way. So having said that, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.